Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Superman here, and it is absolutely great to see you here. Now, you're watching this video right now. Let me ask you one question. You probably have a lot of video creation too, and you know what? There is a lot of more video creation too. When I first started video marketing, nowadays you can create animated video, whiteboard video, green screen video, you name it, you can make it. But let me ask you a very, very simple question. What is good of making these videos if you cannot rank it, if you cannot get traffic to it, right? Well, today's product is going to help you in solving all that solutions so you have a complete package. So let's dive right into it. So today's product name is called MyVideoSpy. Now, be honest with you, this is kind of very similar to my X-Ranker 360 video. There's some functions such as stream, live stream, and get the keywords ranked on the top of the YouTube and Google before you string them out the video. It is the same concept, but they have some extra step in there to even make this whole process better, because you're gonna actually able to figure out what keywords to target, what niche to going after, and most importantly, once you get that video ranked, what is the estimated views and traffic you can get to your video, so you're not really wasting much time trying to guessing what will work, what will not work. By the time you upload your video, stream up to YouTube, you're gonna pretty much sure you're gonna make money with it. How exciting is that, right? So like I said, now the video creation process has been simplified by lots of wonderful software which I have been shared with you in the past. But today I'm going to talk about how MyVideoSpy works. Okay? All right. So dive right into it. So this is inside MyVideoSpy platform, and inside here you're going to have a basic 4 different steps. And now I'm inside the general JV review accounts. I cannot hook up my YouTube account, so for the streaming part I cannot really demo, but for the other parts I think you're gonna really like this. Number 1 step, you're gonna research the niche. So if you as affiliate marketers you want to know what niche to go going after, so when you type initial keywords in here, you're gonna have like what's the long tail keywords, the money making keywords, what I've been teaching in my course. By the way, I want to give you as bonus to going after. So for example, making money online. So that's obvious, but you don't want to go after the making money online. You want to go something longer. So I'm making money online as a teenager. I'm making money online fast and free. The reason for that is this is actually easier to rank than the shorter version of it, okay? And it's more specific, right? So when people search keywords, it's more specific than in the different mindset than somebody just looking for general, kind of what I call window shop keywords. So this is very, very important. So what they have in here is very cool. So if you tap the little eye icon, you're gonna see, hey, what is the average view in this keywords, okay? What is the average likes, and what is your competition like right now? This is a pretty sweet keyword to go after. So if you're watching this video right now, hey, go after this keyword. I highly recommend it. Making money online fast and free, okay? All right, so pretty cool, because as you can see, we analyze each video, the description, the title, and the keyword tag. It doesn't have this exact phrase in there, okay? So that's the thing you want to know. So the next question is, let's hypothetically, I did my tag right, did my title right, and I did my keyword title correctly. What kind of traffic am I kind of expect to have, right? So they built that in feature as well. All you have to do is collect this icon here, then you will start to tracking. All right, so I'm gonna just jump into the tracking section, very quick, stats tracking. So you will be into the queue, and it's gonna go looking for things that you'll be listed here looking for stats. So you will go through it. You will take it depends on the keyword. Sometimes it's super fast. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. So once it's showing up here, you click on the stats track. So what this is going to tell you is this specific video, you're going to have, you see the views increasing, okay? And you can see on what day and how many comments, how many likes. So you know if you push this video down, you're going to get this type, you kind of expect this kind of traffic. So this is really monitored. Now, one thing is you kind of have to look it out is it cannot go So if you kind of go over here, select this, and that's the data range you have. Now, the stats tracker, what I find out is it cannot go backwards. It can only track based on the day you set it. And when you hit that the molecular icon, the find icon, add to the queue, that's the day you start tracking. There's no way to go backwards. The data is just not available in YouTube. They're not allowed to give it to you. So you do have to sit this video here for a couple of days to see what the trending is. And I wish there is a way to get the history data, historical data, like a year back, and since the video has been created, what's been doing. Is it going up? Is it going down? Is it going flat? Or what is going on here? Yeah, right. That can tell me specifically this is an evergreen niche, or this is this niche has trending. Maybe it does better in the fall, especially if you're selling physical items and they have trendings. Now, how is this going to really help local marketers? I know a lot of people are doing local marketing right now. Is you can offer ranking servers as part of your contract. That's what it is. You're gonna, first of all, normally gonna help them creating a marketing advertising video, right? So that's the first beginning. And for that, I have a great bonus for you. If you look down this page a little bit later on, I got something help you set up the agency site very quickly and help you build that reputation very quickly to sell this as well. Now, keep in mind, and Joshua in his video says that what's the point of selling just one video and you're not making money anymore after that, right? Well, I kind of agree with him. As a video agency owner, you need to think exactly just that. You make the video, what's the natural process? You gotta let people know about the video. You gotta get your client's phone number and information out there, helping him generating more leads and sales into his restaurants and gyms and lawyers in the office. That's our job. We just basically a lead gen machine for the local marketer, if you look at it that way, right? So this is absolutely great too. Now you can know exactly what keywords to going after in the local cities, and they're gonna give you some recommendation keywords in here. And with the local marketing, it's even easier than making money online, like the IM niche, right? The internet marketing niche. So if this thing's able to deliver in the IM niche, and I 100% believe this is gonna really have a great results when you're working with a local business. You're gonna show them, hey, how many video I can rank for you? Yeah, I got the magic formula to ranking your video. The next step, once you find out, let's say you find this video is giving the traffic level that you want to really go ahead and rank this, and they're gonna leveraging the power of the live events. And because this is a common shared account, I could not hook up my YouTube account to test this. So I think, and I just can't review this part of the thing, but the concept here is you're gonna put the keywords that you want to rank in title, in description, and as in tag, and you stream it. You don't actually upload your video up there, but you streaming as a live stream, and wait, a couple of days, maybe just one day, within 24 hours, you're gonna see if that's ranked on the top. And in his demo video right below, he shows you some of the niches ranked keywords. He's able to rank it. Once you rank it, then you stream the video up there. This is exactly what my team does. It still works, and I does this every day. And if you have subscribers, hit that bell thing. You're gonna be instantly notified on your channel when you're doing the live events. It's a very powerful thing, and because people like fresh content. When you do live events, it's just as fresh as it goes, And now many people are watching news on YouTube, not in the television now, because the news just virally broke down in YouTube, and you want to tap into that traffic. You want to be in there and do whatever you do. You rather do affiliate marketing, e-com marketing, and for my local business friends, and helping your clients break into that local news. Get those video ranked, and help your clients getting more clients of their own, right? So that's our entire job. Now, one thing about the live events, and if you just using live events, rank there and stream your video, that is not enough, because here's the problem. If you don't continuously building backlinks, it's gonna fall down, because there's gonna be, especially in the IN niche, there's a lot of people doing the same type of product reviews for the same product. There's a lot of competition in there, right? So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do next? How do I keep my video up there? Well, they do have that feature built in here as well. It's called backlinks. So basically, you have to get the SendLab account, which is Joshua's software has been using building backlinks for a while. It basically automatically building backlinks. It still works. and to support the video, and it holds in the position, or sometimes in many cases depends on competitive of the keywords, it will actually help you magically watching the video going up there. Okay, all right, so that's what the software is. If you're in the market looking for a if you research for niches, you're looking for the fastest traffic, organic traffic online, if you are looking for ways to build up a big following on YouTube, or you're looking to deliver this as local video agency servers to add that, $3,000 to $1,000 worth of client check to your bottom line, this is the way to do it, because all you had to say, you got to pay me that fee to keep the video up, because you have to continuously building backlinks to keep that video up there, and you got to continuously get the video up to get the views. And I love this concept, and I'm even going to start using this software to see how much more I can push my video up there. So very, very cool software. I highly recommend to get it. But what is a good video without bonuses? Right now, you are welcome to look at the stats, the proofs, the traffic, the money they're making, all that stuff with this. But this is really, really simple software. I think they did a fantastic job. One thing I do kind of wish they had is they don't have a template, YouTube template. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna give you my YouTube description template. The formatting away, you're gonna most likely get ranked, okay? Most likely to get ranked, because we've been using the same thing over and over again. So the key is to have your keywords on the title and on the description, but how do you write that paragraph that makes more sense? And they did not have those templates in there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask my virtual assistant make a documentations, and I'm gonna show you where the keywords supposed to do, what is not too much of keywords, what is the good tags, what we do here as well. Sounds good? All right, so so they don't have that in there, so I'm gonna give that to you so you know exactly what to do. There's no guessing. If you just first day you're into the YouTube marketing world, there's no guesswork. You follow my template, plug in the keywords, boom, you're good to go. Okay. All right, so here is the demo. Watch it if you like, but I just basically demonstrating all that, and there is, go ahead and look into all this. But make sure when you purchase, the ID is 37A. Make sure you click cookies, and so I can get credit, so you can get your bonuses. You should be delivered straight into your JVZoo account. Okay. All right. So this is the bonuses that Joshua handed over. Say, affiliate spy finder updates. Keyword density checkers, all doing with SEO, more keyword analysis, keyword bootcamp training, and live 90 minutes training. It's like a recorded webinar, I believe. And my team did come up with a set of bonuses, but I really don't like them. So what I tell them to do, go back to do your homework again. Let's offer something good. So on the top of my head right now, I'm gonna making you a really, really cool comprehensive bonuses. I think it's going to really help you make money both ways, being an affiliate or being a local marketer that want to tap into the video stream money making machine, basically. Number one is we're going to hook you out with when you're going into selling this kind of servers, whether creating videos or ranking videos, you need a very professional site. So you look like you're a big dog, right? You're a big dog in the marketplace. You're serious and you got a staff behind it. It's how you're packaging, right? It's how you're framing stuff. So we're gonna give you an agency theme, okay? That's gonna help you. If you know how to do WordPress, you fly through this, okay? And also, I'm gonna give you my Udemy course that teaches you how I go through the process using XRank 360 ranking videos, which is the same method they're doing. I mean, all they did is did the keyword research a little bit better, but I think there's a pro and con in each different software. If you have a both, and you have the perfect world, right? So the next thing I'm gonna really give it to you. I think I'm giving out too much already, but the next thing I'm gonna give it to you is the descriptions that I use on my YouTube videos. That all you have to do is just do a find and replace. Then you can basically using the templates plug into as a live stream and see that video get ranked up there. Okay. And I actually have an entire system I built for my virtual assistant, so I no longer have to do the work. But I'm gonna give that for you. But that's only if you are the first 15 buyers, okay? Because I don't want to give this out too much. I don't want generating my competition to myself, right? So I'm gonna give that to you, and I'm actually gonna record a video explain everything for you, how that works, and yeah, to make this a really complete package for you. And I'm actually gonna give it to you. How about, I just think about this. Let's think about this. So how about I give you training how to build your local business the right way? How do you spend less time but make more? Would you be interested? Well, I have a totally awesome webinar that shows the Vertex system. I'm gonna help you building that. So you can take this, not just using for your affiliate marketing. That's all great, keep doing it, but branch it out to the local marketing area, because that's the hottest there. When you combine the power of video and local marketing, wow, you're in the 6 and 7 figure range, provided you actually do the work and you actually do the study and go out, talk to clients, get it all done. Yeah, it's all about taking massive actions, right? So this is what MyVideoSpy is all about, and this is what I think how you should leveraging to this software is: number one, do your internal marketing, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, rank those videos, sell those. But also, I'm telling you, I'm doing this every day. It's easier to get clients and have that passive check by using servers, by providing servers to ranking every month, because it's a legit reason to charge a monthly fee, because you gotta keep building backlinks, you gotta keep watching other competitions of another restaurant trying to take in place. And then you're gonna become not just their video expert, but their marketing expert. So when they want Facebook ads, when they want building a new website, when they want to do anything online, then they're gonna come to you. This is what I find out in my journey of being a local marketer and selling, using my online expertise to sell. It's very easy. It's very easy, and when you're an expert, you can charge whatever they, because they know that you, the only one, can get them the results, okay? All right, so it's really that easy. So this is what MyVideoSpy is all about. So make sure you're clicking cookies, grab on the link right now, saying I can hook you up with all kinds of unique bonuses that's gonna go hand in hand to complete this package. Cheers.